This is something there's no reason to pay a shop or your dealership to do, and I'll show you how. So let's jump into the car, let's get started. All right, so here we are on the right side of the car, or the passenger side for US vehicles. And you know, ironically enough, the camera angles on this are going to be harder than the job itself. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is take down this upper kick plate. And I pulled it down already partially because I wanted you to see where the bolts sit. You've got two little 8mm nuts here and here on both sides on posts, and then you can kind of get your fingers up in and then just pry this down. When it comes down, you'll see that it's still plugged into your sound speaker right there. You've got an ambient light in the back, and you've got your electrical outlet right there. And if you didn't realize you had one right here, a lot of folks don't until they take their kick plate down. You actually do have a spare lighter socket right here on this side. So if you wanted to plug something in, you certainly could. Okay, so go ahead and unplug the speaker, unplug the light, unplug the power socket, and then take this piece and set it aside. All right, now that that trim piece is down, we're going to want to take this side piece off right here.